Here is how to assemble the Soundbass Sonos Beam Soundbar TV Mount. Let's see what comes in the box. 2 arms, the bracket itself, a cable tie, and various screws and washers for all application. The first thing we've got to do is assemble the mount. Don't fully tighten it just yet. You should be able to move the arms like this to accommodate various VESA patterns. For this particular application, we have a 200 VESA pattern, and the arm position is this. The next thing we need to do is remove these 2 screws from the television mount. I'm taking a measurement of the speaker itself for later use. It is 2 3/4 inches or approximately 70 millimeters. For this application, I don't need to loosen the top 2 screws as the mount arms will not reach. So for this, we only need to remove the bottom 2 TV mount screws. We can slide the arms underneath here. Then we use the screws and washers removed earlier and fix them loosely. So we are now going to set this around 3 inches or approximately 75 millimeters for a little bit of access to soundbar buttons. After checking that this side is the correct measurement, tighten this screw. Then check the other side and tighten it as well. Be sure to just hand tighten them. Then we take the little spanner supplied by Soundbass and tighten up these bolts on the back. Everything is ready to get this back on the wall. We are now ready to fix the soundbar to the bracket. So, taking these 2 screws, notice they have blue anti-vibration coatings. Hand tighten them until they are fully secure, and there is no movement between the bracket and soundbar. Next, let's drop down the HDMI and power cords. Plug them into the back of your soundbar, and tie them off with the handy cable tie that is supplied with the kit. The advantage of a TV mount is that the soundbar moves with the TV as it swivels left and right. The last thing we're going to do is get this back in place. Then get our spirit level, put this on here, and we're going to level the TV up. There you have it, Sonos Beam TV Mount installation complete.